Hey guys, welcome to Instant Film Friday, where I talk about instant photography, instant cameras, photography in general. And if that is something you guys are into, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Leave me a comment because I like connecting with you guys and do all that YouTubery stuff. So let's get into today's video. Today I am unboxing the Lomography Lomo'Instant Automat. If you guys have been watching my web series, you know that I have unboxed the regular Lomo'Instant, and I will link that video in the cards right about here. And if you guys haven't seen that video, definitely check it out after this video. But this special edition automat is a collaboration with the Adventure Challenge. And the Adventure Challenge is a company that puts out adventure journals for couples and friends with challenges that you do. And they partnered with Lomography to come up with this limited edition camera. And they have included it in a package, or you can get the camera by itself. I picked this up on the Facebook Marketplace. I have always wanted the Lomo'Instant Automat, but I haven't gotten around to buying it. And I found this little guy, so I figured I would pick it up and do an unboxing. So on the side, it just has, you know, information and a couple pictures. And when you open it, you're going to have literature. And that is what it looks like. It comes with two boxes that have gel filters. This edition has picture stands. But what I'm really worried about is the camera itself. So this is what it looks like. What I really like is it comes with a lens cap, but also the lens cap, if I can get it off, doubles as a remote shutter. So that is super awesome. There's the lens. To turn it on, you twist, and then it has different focusing zones right there. 0.6 meters, 1 to 2 meters, and infinity. And it has a flash. I will go into the boxes with the gel filters in a bit to show you how that works. This takes the Instax mini film, and to put it in, you hit the little latch right here. It pops off, and then you put it in. It has strap lugs on the side that kind of come out, and you could put your strap on there. And then you have your feature buttons, which I will go into in a bit. It has a tripod socket, which is awesome because some cameras do not have it, and sometimes you just want to do some tripod work. And then on the bottom, right here next to the feature buttons, there is a battery door, and the battery door actually stays on, so you won't lose it. That's a plus. But unfortunately, one of the downsides of this camera is it takes CR2 batteries, which are not as easily accessible. They are these guys right here. And you can get these at Walmart, Target. They do cost a little more than your regular AA's and your AAA's, but you put the batteries in like this. And then the camera, when you twist it, powers on. I do not have film in here, obviously, but there are different functions. There is the flash on and off. So this does have flash override, which is awesome. It has a multiple exposure button. It has a lighten and darken exposure compensation button. And then it has an automatic feature and a bulb mode. So if you want to take long exposure, that's what you would use. But you focus, and then you take your picture. I do not have a set of film that is not cold stored right now, so I'm not going to take pictures. But that is the overview of the camera. And then the remote shutter itself takes a cell battery, which unfortunately I don't have the right size. But what you would do is you would pair it to the camera, and then you have an instant mode where you press it and the shutter releases, and then you have a time feature where you press it and it sets the onboard timer. So that is awesome. And then in the boxes, you get these cool little film boxes that you could store film in. I'm not sure if this is the one, but oh, okay. So this is the one that has the gel filters, which go right in front of the flash. And then they have a few magnets for your pictures. And then they have these photo stands that you put the photos in and then you could string them up, all included in the box. So that is super fun. Just a cool little kit. I definitely would suggest picking this up. Right now it seems like it is definitely a better build quality than the regular Lomo Instant, which was Kickstarter funded, so they had a learning curve with that. But it seems like they fixed everything that I was not a fan of. It definitely feels more rugged than the regular Lomo Instant, which is definitely a plus. So if you guys end up having this camera or checking it out, leave me a comment in the comment section down below with what you think. It has a built-in selfie mirror, which doubles as the shutter release, which I'm not quite a fan of, because if you're framing your shot, you have to block your shot to hit the shutter release. But I guess that's what the remote shutter is for. So it's good that they include that. I'm gonna go possibly put some film in this after defrosting it and take some pictures. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, hit up my Instagram, which I will leave in the description below. And if you want to pick up this particular camera, I will also link that in the description below, and you guys can check it out. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.